Cable, SAT protection. Telephone line protection. Surge protection. 8 outlets. High def ready. Protects equipment against prolonged over, under voltages by disconnecting the power and reconnecting it when safe power returns. Power cleaning and filtration eliminate loss of detail, pops, hisses, hums, visual artifacts and other common symptoms of contaminated power. Top reviews from the United States. This is bit wider than normal surge protectors. But then, this isn't just surge protector. It has power conditioning too. I noticed right away that my TV screen was smoother and not pixelated. I had dirty power on this circuit in my house for sure. I had moved my living room around, at the request of my wife. After I was done, I started to notice popping, hissing, static in all of my speakers. I am an audiophile and started checking every connection to all my speakers, then every connection to my receiver, checked all my wiring in the attic, in the wall, and I could not find the source. A quick research session taught me that dirty power or uneven sine wave, voltage, or some type of interference can cause all sorts of havoc on audio and video. I had no clue about the video part. So I bought this protector and sure enough, my TV looked cleaner and sharper, my audio was cleaner and more pronounced and no more static or hissing and popping intermittently in my surround sound system. Thank you Panamax.